Hey everybody, Chad here with Catalyst Chiropractic and Rehab, coming at you today with an exercise you can do for stress management. Today, it's not a stretch. Today, it's not a specific exercise. It's actually a technique, and that technique is called box breathing. Box breathing has been shown to help people deal with stress, encourage what we call the parasympathetic nervous system, which is sort of our down regulation, our relaxation system in our body. If you think of the sympathetic nervous system as that fight or flight, we all deal with that every day with all the stress of work and family and job, but we're trying to promote more of the parasympathetic and down regulate the sympathetic. Okay, so today we're going to go with what we call box breathing method. And if you can imagine, the box breathing method, as its name implies, is visualizing a box. And you can do this by looking even at a wall. So at work, at home, find yourself next to a wall, or even in your mind, close your eyes, take 5 minutes here just for yourself and work on this. So as you imagine your box, you're going to take a nice big breath in, maybe 3 to 5 seconds. So, and you're traveling across that box. Once you hit that corner, you're going to hold that breath for that 3 to 5 seconds. Once you hit that bottom corner, you're going to exhale 3 to 5 seconds. And as you come back up, you're going to hold again that 3 to 5 seconds. Then you start that pattern again. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. Here. I would encourage you to go for 3 seconds per segment. Start there and see if you can handle that. Work your way up to something like 5 seconds per segment and just see how your body feels after that. There's plenty of research and articles out there if you'd like to look those up too. Anything on Google, just throw in box breathing and you can check out some research for yourself. But give that a shot this week and see how that helps you with your stress management.